Dusseldorf Boat Show, let's have a quick look at the Pardo 38. Rob, are you ready? Let's go, follow me. We're in the middle of Dusseldorf Boat Show, but I'll give you my best walkthrough of the Pardo 38. Nearly fell over then, that's how busy we are. Right, come on board, Rob. Rob's now on the transom of the boat, obviously. There's two stainless steel little plates, and that is for your passerelle, your manual passerelle. If we bump into anyone, it's boat show. Let's start here. There are cushions that lift up and down. This table is up and down, infill cushion to make huge sun worshipping area. It's electric as well. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Electric Bimini. I won't put it out because it's right in the middle of everyone. We'll walk through the galley area, Rob, if you come with me. So underneath what you've seen on the Pardo 43 is this Lamborghini designed T-top roof, lights, nice glazing. It is again a very pretty animal. Usual bit, it's got your hob, it's got your sink, it's got all the usual bits. I haven't got time at the moment to go through every drawer, but there are details you can find, either website and loads of other mediums. We'll get that on the end of this. Again, similar to the Pardo 43, this is her Pardo 43 little sister. We have these three Helm seats. I keep saying this, it just reminds me of Miami Vice or the opening credits to Baywatch when you've got that big well-crafted scarab going everywhere. Well-crafted scarab, you can put that on. Sitting here, it is, well, it's a very comfortable switch set, and you've got all your machinery, and you've got your, obviously, your joystick, because this is on legs. You have your throttles, all the simple stuff, nice Pardo bits and bobs. As I'm at the helm, trying to do it a bit quickly, this has got the biggest engine options, so it's got the 440 horsepower D6 Volvos, a pair of those. I've not sea trialed this one yet. This should be at Neustadt directly after the boat show, but I think she's topping 38, if not 40 knots, this boat. There's a lot of silence from Rob, and a little behind the camera. Rob just went, so there's people down, we'll go to the bow. You all right with that? Again, this boasts the same as the Pardo 43, which is to my left now. These great side decks and these big bulwarks. We've got this, it's flexi-teak on this one actually. This is our boat, this is our stock boat coming to Neustadt directly after the show. This has got the white caulking, just something different. And what we've done is we've matched the white caulking with the cream piping on this, what they call Silvertex, the exterior fabrics. It's got a couple of loudspeakers, so this zone is to have a bit of a rev up. Again, you can just see what they do. God, they do it so bloody well. They've got this electrically etched Pardo Yachts in these up-down cleats, stainless steel rub bands to stop your chafing of the coarse ropes. We've just walked past the bow, but we're obviously 15 foot in the air here. We'll have a look at the bow in a minute. Throat's going, day 4. Again, I'm tall, but these are so you feel so safe. Again, most of you have got kids. Some of you got kids. I would be very happy having them here, not running around, but certainly nice and secure. One thing I've just walked past is they boast, and they have, what the hell are they, Rob? Well, I'll tell you what they are. They're quite sensible. Put your hand on here and you can climb over and get on and off if you're more side 2. It's pretty analogue, but it's pretty and it's very simple. We can go downstairs. I think we're free. You're right, watch the step there. Don't get my ball patch, Rob. We are now downstairs, and you've missed my ball patch, so cut away from that, Rob. Thank you so much. Right, I'm sitting in, it's an out-and-out day boat. Let's not mess about. However, I'm sitting down here, and I am on a very comfortable, and I actually say fairly large, it's not quite double, they don't quite work like that, but it's a very large bed for 2, double bed. Not quite a king, not quite a queen. This has got the silver oak which is an extra option for this boat. It's really nice. They've done it really nicely. They've got some little air conditioning vents here that are made out of, well, they are brass colour. Oh, nicht open bitter Geschlossen, so I can't open any of that, otherwise I'll get kicked out the brownies. And again, you've got, it's covered by a cushion, of course, but you've got an extra skylight. It's always nice to have that for letting the wind blow through. It has air conditioning, we've already mentioned that. Behind me, right slightly toward midship, it's twin beds. So you've got another set of beds there, which are underneath the cantilevered pretty steps. You know, there's enough wood going on here. It's a very pretty boat. I'm just going to go to my left, which is the starboard side of the boat, and you would go into the head. So in the head, look, it is what it is. Loo, obviously, you've got your nice, actually that's quite a nice basin, to be fair. Again, there's a lot of that nice silver oak wood that's within here. It's perfectly fine. It's a day boat. In fact, it's more than a day boat, as I'm sort of thinking about it here. It's almost a long weekender. And I'm going to go back upstairs and give you a bit of a conclusion to the boat, if that's all right. In the spirit of retail is detail, one of our senior board members always goes on about it. I have forgotten to mention some halo points about this boat. This boat's 38 foot, it's got a gyro stabiliser. Tick. 38 feet, it's got the biggest engines you can get, the 2x440 D6 Volvos. It's got the Bimini, that's a nice option. This flexi teak with the white caulking to match the piping within the silver text. That's not standard either. We've added the gates on this boat, these nice silver trim gates. Have a cutaway of that afterwards, Rob. It's very simple. Come and see us. All the information, and I know it says, what's the price, what's the price? Well, sometimes brands like us and other brokers don't put the price on, and I'll give you a little secret why. The secret to that is, after this show, I might be adding other bits to the boat, so the price might be 10 minutes old, and forget it. All the price, all the information, the specification, the photographs. I think you've even done a bit of a tour of this boat, haven't you, Rob, like on your own? It's all on our Argo website. Get there. Get on that site and see it all. Better still, after this Dusseldorf Boat Show, she will be going to our Neustadt office, which is in northern Germany. Get there, talk to us, call us, email us, come for a sea trial and a spin, throw her around in that Baywatch-style Helm seats. Impress me. Tell me how quick you can get it. Just get on with it. Come and see us now. Do it.